Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make crypto news simple and easy to follow. Today we're talking about Cardano ADA and its potential to break out in a very big way. Analysts are saying that Cardano ADA is set for a massive rally, especially if ADA holds support. The community is buzzing with excitement and social sentiment is pretty optimistic right now. Everyone's wondering, could this be the signal we've all been waiting for that sends ADA climbing high? Or is it too soon to tell? In this video, we're going to be breaking down all the technical patterns, why it's important for Cardano's price action, and what people are saying in the market. So if you're holding ADA or you're just keeping an eye on it, stick around because you're not going to want to miss what we've got in store for you in today's video. Let's go. So let's get straight into the analysis then. The latest analysis on Cardano ADA highlights the potential for a rally if this symmetrical triangle breakout holds as support. If this pattern remains intact, it could pave the way for Cardano ADA to surge significantly in the coming days. The sentiment around Cardano ADA appears to be cautiously optimistic, with traders closely watching these technical levels as ADA navigates this key support. Many are speculating that we're about to see a potential breakout much higher. But what do you think? What's your thoughts, your opinions in the comments below? Really interested to get your views and opinions. For me, it's really interesting to see what's happening with Cardano ADA's price. But for me, it really does depend on the wider market movements. The likes of Bitcoin is Bitcoin going to see a recovery surge to the upside? I think that that's very much on the cards. This for me is very, very healthy and something that we've been expecting. But you know, for the first week of October, we should be expecting volatility, healthy corrections, and then a move on up into the bull run. Moving on, the recent launch of Cardano's Midnight testnet marks a major milestone in the blockchain's journey towards enhancing privacy and scalability. Midnight is designed as a privacy-focused sidechain that could revolutionize the way sensitive data is managed on the blockchain or in blockchain applications, especially for enterprises. The Cardano community is buzzing with excitement and the sentiment leans towards bullish for this major development. And for me, this is a really big deal. I've talked about this in the last few last few videos, talking about the fact that this is a requirement to bring in mainstream adoption. You need to have a privacy layer. It will boost ADA's adoption. But look, it's not about my thoughts, my opinions. How do you think Midnight will impact Cardano's position in the crypto space? Could this new privacy layer boost Cardano ADA's adoption? Let's spark some conversations in the chat or in our free Discord. Link is in the description of the video. Join us and have more meaningful conversations there. But for me, this is a really big deal that a lot of people aren't really paying too much attention to. Next up, we've got another article. A recent plunge in Cardano ADA's price has sparked significant discussion within the crypto community after a sharp decline. Cardano's price is facing critical resistance, and while some investors express concerns, others are primed to buy and seeing it as a buying opportunity. Do you see it as a buying opportunity? Let me know in the comments below. The sentiment is mixed at the moment, with a split between bearish views due to the market uncertainty and bullish optimism tied to ADA's long-term potential. For me, again, it's just really interesting, and I'm more interested in your views and opinions. Do you think that we're going to see a continued drop in price? Is it a buying opportunity? Or is this a warning signal ahead of much further decline in price for Cardano ADA? Share your thoughts in the comments. Really interested to get your views and opinions. So, it was getting a little bit uncomfortable, all this positivity. So, yeah, let's get back to reality, right? Cardano ADA is currently testing key support at 34 cent 11, with investors eyeing whether, this level, will hold amid bearish pressure in the market. If ADA fails to maintain support, it could drop further. But if it holds, we could see a potential rebound. Market sentiment is very, very cautious right now. Many, are waiting to see if the broader crypto market will, stabilize over the next few days. I think that it is going to be days, though, that we have to, monitor this. What do you think, Cardano community? Will this support level hold, or do you think we're heading for a further dip? The articles are more negative than they have been in the previous few weeks, and again, it makes me feel a little bit easier about seeing. I'm not used to seeing all the positivity around Cardano ADA, and when we do see it, it does kind of lead you into this false sense of security. But look, I'm interested to get your views and opinions. For me, we're expecting the volatility, we're expecting some downside. It's healthy, and for me, these are buying opportunities. But just be mindful that you could see lower prices still before we actually see that rebound. But I think that rebound's going to be pretty sizable. And for me, this is a really big thing that we need to be keeping an eye on. Obviously, the SEC have come out and they're appealing the decision that XRP is not a security. And look, as much as I thought that this was very much on the cards, a lot of people have got to remember who's in power right now in the US, and who could, have stopped all of this, and who's running. Who do you think should actually be the leader in the US? Who do you think is going to be best for crypto leading the US? Really interested to get your views and opinions on that. Not that we're really touching too much on the politics aspect of things, but Charles Hoskinson has basically given a response. We're going to this article now. I think it's really important that we do monitor what's going on between the SEC and XRP Ripple. So look, the latest news centers around Cardano creator Charles Hoskinson response to the SEC's ongoing legal battle with Ripple XRP. Hoskinson shared his thoughts on the SEC's potential appeal in the XRP case, highlighting the broader impacts for the crypto industry. He mentioned that this could lead to new regulatory tests for cryptocurrency, pushing the industry forward or towards clearer definitions and guidelines. So that could be a real positive if that was to happen. But again, what are your thoughts? My thoughts on this has huge potential for volatility creating volatility in the market, right? This has a really big broad implication on other altcoins, right? Because this was basically stating that selling on the secondary market wasn't, nothing selling on a secondary market was a security, right? So if they do appeal it and they're successful in their appeal, this could mean and could open the floodgates to more legal action against other cryptocurrencies. But on the flip side, it could be a really positive, outcome in the respect there could be clearer guidelines. And again, all these different altcoins could benefit from that. But what does it mean for Cardano? Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Will it bring clarity or further uncertainty towards Cardano ADA? Again, just drop your thoughts in the comments below. But again, it's something that we should be monitoring no matter whether we're invested in XRP or not, because it will have a bigger implication on the rest of the market. So let's talk about the broader market trends and sentiment. So, what's trending at the moment? Well, Bitcoin exchanges or exchange reserves has hit a multi-year low, signaling a potential supply squeeze. Again, could lead to a price surge, and that would help out the rest of the market. So we want to be monitoring that, in my opinion. So really big idea to keep an eye on that. Meme coins are still going, the likes of Bonk, Dog with Hat, Popcat, all experiencing pretty sizable gains this month. Solana again scaling success and developer growth, getting a lot of attraction for developers. Again, could be something to keep your eye on. And then we've got Polkadot's technology is making waves with its ability to connect to multiple blockchains seamlessly, fueling speculation about strong growth in its ecosystem. And so, look, those are kind of the main things, but we should be cautious right now that the market is volatile. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button. Let me know if you want me to continue sort of giving you analysis on sentiment and trends at the end of each video. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's video.